Today we'll be making jollof rice. These are my ingredients: blended garlic, chicken cubes, salt, onion, our thyme, coriander, bay leaf, tomato paste. So here we have our boiled chicken and I'm about to fry it. So these are our oil, hot oil. So right now we're frying our chicken. So in order for it to taste better, to taste crunchy and to make sense, that's like it's boiled chicken already. So this is the stock from the chicken. I'll be using this for the jollof rice. The chicken is ready. Oh. We have our pots here. We'll be adding our groundnut oil. So this is the oil that we use to fry the chicken. We'll be using some of it. Putting our onion first. We allow the onion to fry for some minutes. So now we'll be adding our tomato paste. We're adding our ginger and garlic. Blended ginger and garlic. So we allow this to fry for about 3 minutes before we add the. This is my blended tomato for my jollof rice. You mix to make sure the tomato paste and the blended tomato is mixed together. We're adding our seasoning cubes, our salt for taste, and this is our curry, thyme, and bay leaf. So right now we'll be adding our rice. I add my rice before adding water and the chicken stock. Mixing the rice with the sauce. I'm adding my stock. Mix it together. Can you see how my jollof rice is looking? And the aroma is giving. Oh, I can't wait to taste this. And I'm sure you guys can't wait to taste this as well. So now we'll be adding our water. After adding the water, mix, stir it. So I want to taste to see if it needs Maggi or seasoning cubes or salt. It's good to go. I'm going to be using the foil paper to cover it to steam it up. So using a foil paper. So I'm turning this so the water can go down the pot. Can you see how the rice is looking? It's looking delicious. I'm wrapping up the foil paper to the pot to steam it up. So we'll just wait for about 10 minutes. Mmm. The rice is ready. Oh. So our jollof rice is ready. Thanks for joining us on this episode. Thanks for watching.